All right, so this is how you're going to share LinkedIn access with an agency or third party. So if you aren't in the new business manager, the new LinkedIn business manager that came out, you might be more familiar with this campaign manager. To get here, you're going to go to linkedin.com/campaign manager. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. From here, you're going to confirm that you're in the right account that you want to give access to. This is a drop down in case you do have multiple accounts. Then you're going to go to account setting and manage access. This is the easiest way to see if your organization does have a business manager set up. It'll show you owned by, and then in this case it would be Granular, the business manager. So then I'll open this business manager up and I'll go into people are partners depending if you're adding an individual or an agency. This is the new way how to do it. So you might still be in the old way of doing things, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well, but I have to log out. So the old way of doing things, you would be in Campaign Manager, and then when you hit account settings and go to manage access, instead of seeing that area drop up to go to a business manager, you're going to see this section instead. And this is where you're going to be able to hit add user and then search for an individual. At this level, you're also going to be able to choose their role, so account manager, admin, and so forth, and then hit add. And then that person will get an email and have access to your campaign manager. So a couple different ways on how to do this. It depends on what version your business is on. We do encourage everyone to switch over to that new business manager account organization system. Moving forward, it's going to be a lot easier to keep track of who and what other third parties have access to your account.